go. Let go. Come on, let go.
Here.
She won't let go.
Here, Zoe. Here. Give. Give. Come on. Come on. Give. Give. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. There you go.
What direction are you
Go.
going to throw it in?
Straight in. Yep. Come on. There you go. Nope. Nope. Gotcha. All right. Ready? Zoe.
That way?
Go. That didn't go too far.
Okay, well, here. So give.
Yeah, you went too fast.
Go get it.
Go get it, Zoe.
Go get it. She doesn't know where it is now. Come on. Go get it. Right here. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it.
She says, no, that's way too much work.
Come on.
She doesn't want to pull. Hey, Zoe. Hi, Zoe. Zoe. Zoe, come here. Come here. Zoe. Zoe.
Whee!
Here.
Take that. Take it.
Where is she? Let's see.
Throw a
Have we
treat.
got any
Throw
treats?
a treat.
Oh, yeah, the treat will do it.
That's a cover for you.
Here, can you open this? Ah, she's already sitting. That's not going to make her run.
You gotta fill it.
Okay.
You gotta fill it.
Here we go. We got treats. Milk bone. Okay, Zoe. Zoe. No, we're going to show that she can sit. Zoe, sit. Zoe, sit. Oh, you want to lay down. Okay. All right. Zoe, sit. Sit. Good girl. Lay down. Good girl. Good Zoe. Okay. Ready to run? We got any more treats? Let's throw that treat on the ground. Okay, ready?
Which
Zoe?
way? Which way?
Where do you want to go?
Let's go that way.
Okay, go get it. Go get it.
Okay. Come on. I heard the good
We're working her like a dog.
Isn't that the point? Is a dog.
We're getting ready for pulling on the sled for the winter. That's right. So we're working on sled pulling.
Where's the tree?
Zoe! Zoe? Zoe! Okay. Wait. Lay down. Roll over. Nope. Roll over. No, roll over. No. Lay down. Lay down. There you go. Roll over. Come on. Roll over. Okay. That was a part of a rollover. Okay. Lay down. Lay down. Roll over. Roll over. Lay down. No. Come on. Roll over. No, you don't get a treat. Lay down. Roll over. Good girl.
Do you want me to take her leash off?
Okay. Good dog. Okay. All's good.